Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tashi, Tseten, Palden. Happy birthday to you.
Tashi Dele. Today, May 12, 2022, Thursday, we are at Nepal Women and Children Service Society at Besigao, Kathmandu. We are going to celebrate birthday of Tashi Tseten Palden, son of Nawang Palden and mother Tenzing Choiden Darlola from New York. We are at orphanage kid to celebrate his birthday by providing food, cake, fruits and cold drinks. They donate $201, converted Nepali rupees 24,321, which we expense food package for 30 people 16,321, cold drinks 1,500, cake 3,000, fruits 2,000, taxi 1,500. Once again, happy birthday, Tashi Tseten Palden from Desi Tashi Foundation. Thank you.
Birthday boy le pani
Now the